Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming power and sensors. Make sure your watch is snug so heart rate and SpO2 readings stabilize. This improves calorie accuracy. Open the workout app and pick the closest activity type or tap plus to create a custom profile. Once done, set a concrete goal, time, calories, distance, or select open goal to let the watch auto-detect effort. Press start. You'll hear haptic feedback. That confirms tracking began, and your metrics are logging in real time. Once underway, monitor the right metrics for your goal. Heart rate zones for intensity, pace for runs, cadence for cycling. Swipe or customize the metrics screen in the watch app so you see what matters at a glance. Use the action button or tap the lap control to mark intervals and splits. This keeps data segmented for post-workout analysis. If you need to pause, press firmly or use the pause control. Make sure to glance briefly. Don't stare. Safety first. You'll end the session by swiping and tapping end, then save so data syncs to the fitness app. Review your summary, total calories, duration, average heart rate, and any VO2 estimate shifts. These show training effect. If numbers look off, first check fit and skin contact, then restart sensors by toggling wrist detection or rebooting the watch. If problems persist, update Watch OS and resync with your iPhone. That usually fixes drift and restores accurate tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.